You guys want to see my Barbie town? I know. I'm 41 and I play with Barbies. Well, really, I play with Barbie houses, so it kind of fits. I'm a designer and I have all this architecture around me just at a 1/6 scale. Okay, so I went online and I bought some used 1978 A-frame Barbie dream houses. All the kids who were raised in the 80s, all the girls just squealed because they know the dream house that I'm talking about. It was the most architecturally significant Barbie dream house that was ever produced. And what I did was I bought 2 of them, meticulously painted every single detail, and added a 3rd floor to it. So the original house had 6 rooms. I gave this a total of 9 rooms with a couple of half balcony areas. And I styled it up. This house here is definitely a work in progress. And this is a house that I actually made. And it's not really a Barbie dream house. It is an apartment with 1st level retail, including a movie theater, grocery store. There is a bakery. If you walk up the stairs, there is a hair salon with a pedicure station and a full gym here and a game room and then a working elevator. I'm really, really proud of the elevator. I feel like it moves up and down. Oh no. I know, look at it go. Wait, it's made out of paper. What can I expect? Sometimes it gets messed up. But anyway, the elevator works. It goes up and down. It doesn't take much.
Goodness, you can't be in this. It's not your turn to be on TV. Okay, we talked about this.
All right, this is my personal playroom. Nobody gets invited in here. And matter of fact, it's time for y'all to go.